Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can apply filter on inventory and can check relevant data. So first of all, let us go to our inventory module. Click on browse module, then you need to click on inventory. Now, once I will come in inventory, please check. This is my product segment. So what is the filter here? So I will click on filter on your left hand side. Now here you can go ahead and check the stock as per the store. So I can select the store, main stock store I selected. So please check all the stock is now getting displayed as per the main stock store. I can select two multiple stores as well and can check the data. So please check, this is how your main stock store and finished goods store is getting displayed. Now after that, I can go ahead and check low stock as per my minimum stock level, excess stock, negative stock. I can select it, and accordingly the system will only show me that data, that items which is in negative right now in that particular store. So after that, I can go ahead and just unselect the columns which I don't want to see or I want to see. So this is how you can use the filter in your inventory and can check the relevant information. Have a good day ahead.